Hello and welcome. Today, we'll show you how to design a simple storybook in FreeCAD. This beginner-friendly project is easy to follow and great for practicing modeling skills. Let's get started. Create the book cover, front. Open FreeCAD and start a new project. Go to the Part Design Workbench. Create a new body, then open the sketcher. Select the XY plane and click OK. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Adjust the dimensions to match your desired book size. Click Close to finish the sketch. Use the pad tool to extrude the rectangle. Set a small thickness, example 2 to 3 mm, for the front cover. Apply a chamfer to the cover edges. Use 2 distances mode. Adjust the values for a decorative effect. Click OK. Create the back cover. Copy the front cover using Ctrl+C, then paste it using Ctrl+V. Use transform to move it slightly back to form the rear cover. Now you have 2 book covers. Add pages. Create a new body. Start a sketch on the XY plane. Draw a rectangle slightly smaller than the cover dimensions. Add it to the thickness of the pages, example 8 to 10 mm. Position it between the front and back covers. Temporarily hide the covers for better visibility. Add rounded edges. Create a new body, then open a sketch on the XZ plane. Draw a large circle close to the edge of the pages. This will be used to cut a decorative curve into the edge. Use a boolean cut or pocket to remove the overlapping curve from the book's edges. Repeat for the other side and front if desired. Add cover art. Go to the File menu and choose Import. Select your image file, example JPG or PNG, from your computer. Paste it onto the front cover. Adjust the position and scale to fit nicely. Your storybook is ready. You have just modeled a 3D storybook in FreeCAD, complete with front and back covers, a stack of pages, decorative rounded edges, a custom image on the front cover. Thank you for watching and modeling with us. Feel to leave a comment or ask any questions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials.